Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Hosseini and welcome to Medical and Health. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense. Since your immune system does a lot of work to keep you safe from disease, it's important to keep it healthy and strong. In fact, a weak immune system leaves the body defenseless against the germs and bacteria, making you more susceptible to a variety of infections and diseases. There are many things that can damage and weaken your immune system. In this video you will learn 7 daily habits that weaken your immune system. Number 1. Avoiding sunlight. Excessive and unprotected exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays is harmful to the skin and general health, and that's why many people avoid the sun completely. But by doing this, they damage their immune system because sunlight helps the immune system to rebuild itself. When you're exposed to sunlight, the body makes vitamin D, which is necessary for the proper functioning of T cells that play an essential role in your immune system. Number 2. Keeping negative emotions. Negative emotions such as stress, sadness, fear, anger, and worry destroy your immune system. When you are stressed, cortisol levels rise in your body. Cortisol alters immune system responses and lead to inflammation and a weakened immune system. Also, high cortisol reduces the production of prostaglandins that support immune function. Studies have shown that chronic stress can even make you more susceptible to colds and flu, and also makes you more likely to get heart disease, diabetes, and other diseases. Number 3. Use of cosmetic products. According to research, the average woman uses no less than 16 beauty products every day. Many of these products, such as body washes, lotions, shampoos, and perfumes, are highly toxic and contain chemicals that can weaken your immune system. The effect of using such products on the skin or face is more than you think. Harmful chemicals are absorbed into the blood through the skin and have a direct impact on your immune system functions. A study showed that frequent use of alcohol-based hygiene products can damage the protective barrier of the skin, leaving the person exposed to bacteria, viruses, and molds. So try to replace chemical products with herbal products. Number 4. Not getting enough sleep. Many people ignore the importance of sleep due to their busy routine, which can damage their immune system. Not having enough sleep reduces the function of immune system. If you don't get enough sleep, your immune system can't recover itself. Insufficient sleep puts you at risk for infections and other serious diseases such as heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. Adults should sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Children and teenagers need more sleep, between 9 and 11 hours. Number 5. Lack of physical activity. If you have a habit of sitting all day and there's no place for exercise in your daily routine, you will affect your immune system. Moderate exercise supports the immune system. During exercise, the blood flow increases, and as a result, waste products are removed from the body better. Proper blood flow can even improve the flow of antibodies and white blood cells that are important for fighting infections. Number 6. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is important for general health and strengthening the immune system. The body and immune system will not function properly without water. Drinking enough water helps the immune system fight infections. Also, enough water can remove harmful toxins from the body, which is also beneficial for the immune system functions. Number 7. Smoking. Inhalation of smoke, whether from tobacco or wood, has a direct effect on the immune system. Cigarette smoke increases the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and even increases the excessive immune response, so it creates an autoimmune state. A study in 2014 revealed the fact that cigarette smoke has immune suppressive effects. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.